There's an ongoing debate on how to best tackle the pandemic globally, and we saw the Biden administration supporting a waiver on IP rights on vaccines. A lot of European countries are not so sure, and they said it's actually a production capacity issue. So what, in your view, is the best way to tackle the crisis now, but also in 6 months?
I think a remarkable amount of work has been done by the different vaccine manufacturers all over the planet. When you are looking that there will be about 10 billion doses that will have been manufactured by the end of the year, 10 billion doses. That's a huge amount of doses. When a normal vaccine year has a total of 5 billion doses of vaccines with all the other vaccines included. Here we're going to have 10 billion doses of vaccine just for COVID-19 in less than 1 year. That's remarkable. Of course, the speed of access is a very important topic. That's the right question. I'm not convinced at all that IP rights are in any way going to accelerate that. I believe that, on the contrary, what we have seen is that there has been an unprecedented amount of partnerships across all different partners of the industry, all different partners of the vaccines ecosystem. So what we need now is to make sure that there is a good freedom of goods, to make sure that raw materials can go from one place to another, to make sure that there is no bottleneck. But again, if we look at what's been going on over the past few weeks, the trajectory for the coming few months, I'm very convinced that in a matter of a few quarters, we'll be able to solve that.
Now, in addition to the vaccine that you've developed alongside GSK, you're also working on an mRNA vaccine with another partner, Translate Bio. How is that going? And why has it taken you so much longer to develop this mRNA vaccine than what we've seen from Moderna and BioNTech?
So it's a very different partnership, because this partnership indeed is on the mRNA technology. It's a very recent partnership. We've been with T-Bio only since 2018, and Translate Bio is a company that never worked on vaccines before, but on other areas of mRNA. We're very excited about this opportunity. Indeed, we are already in clinical trials. We're going to get the phase 2 results of our candidate vaccine against COVID-19 with Translate Bio in Q3, so very soon. Looking forward to the phase 2 data to see how we can move forward to phase 3 and registration after that. But to tackle your question, that's where we are today. Now, from a partnership, very excited by the science that Translate Bio has shown us, and very excited to move forward with the candidate.
Paul Hudson, the CEO of Sanofi, very early on warned about the lack of production capacity for vaccines in Europe, and also the lack of a mechanism like BARDA. From what you've seen from European countries in the past few months, has these issues been addressed? Are we still at the same position?
I think Europe is making great progress, has been understanding the and making sure that it's responding at the level of the urgency and at the level of the pandemic. I've seen a lot of progress over the past few months. I think that Europe has understood, by the creation of the HERA agency, that there is a need for pandemic preparedness agencies, not only for now, but for the future. And when I see the mobilization of all the actors of Europe, I see, again, that we're making great progress. I'm confident we'll have agencies that will be able to tackle also the next pandemics in Europe.
All right.